name's Miss Sydney, and today we will be showing you how to make dandelion marmalade. For this activity, you will need a 1 liter jar, jam sugar, a lemon, a dandelion head, and you'll need about 1 liter of these. So the first step is to take each dandelion head and cut off the green part just like this, because the green part's going to be a little bit bitter. And you're going to do this until you have 1 liter of dandelion petals. So now you're going to add in 1 liter of water, and you're going to turn your stove on high and put the petals on. So now you're going to take your lemon and you're just going to cut it into neat little slices just like this. So now you're going to add your lemon slices into your water. And just make sure you get it all mixed in so the lemon slices are evenly distributed. And you'll want to cook your petals for 4 to 5 minutes or until they look a little wilted like this. And after you cook it, you need to take out all of your lemon slices and make sure you don't miss any. This part's optional, but we decided to blend our petals, but you could just leave them plain. And we blended them until they looked like this. And now you're just going to leave them in a cool place for 24 hours. And when you come back the next day, yours should look something like this if you blended it. So now you're going to strain out all of your flower petals. And you can use a strainer like this or just a normal strainer. And after you strain it, you need to put all the petals that you strained out back through a tea towel and squeeze out all the remaining liquid, because there's more liquid left than you may think. And this is what your finished liquid should look like. It's okay if there are a few petals left because they're completely edible. It's just about the texture. So now you're going to put your liquid on a high heated stove and you're going to put in your jam sugar. And for this part you need to be mixing the entire time, so it may take a little bit. And now you're just going to keep mixing until your mixture goes onto a steady boil. And once it hits a steady boil, you need to cook it for exactly 4 minutes. And once you take it off the stove, it needs to immediately be scooped into jars. And the lid needs to be put on the jars immediately after it is scooped. And this is what your finished jar should look like. We have so many because we doubled the recipe, but 1 liter jar should do. And now you're just going to let them sit overnight to harden up. And then the next day, they should be ready to eat. So now the only part left is to make a piece of toast, spread your marmalade on, and enjoy! Thanks for watching! Bye!